how to log into your Nationwide bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how you can log into your Nationwide bank. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar simply type in Nationwide. Now tap on the first link, which is nationwide.co.uk. After that, you will be taken to the official homepage of Nationwide bank, where in order to log in, simply tap on the login option. After that, tap on the option log into internet bank. Now once you've done that, you will be redirected to another page where in order to log in, you'll have to basically enter your customer number. After that, enter your date of birth in DD, YYY format. Now in any case, if you forgot your customer number, you can simply reset it or recover it by tapping the option forgotten your customer number. And once you follow all the steps provided to you, you'll have successfully reset or recovered your customer number. Now once you tap on the option continue and follow all the steps provided to you, you will have successfully logged into your Nationwide bank's online banking account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.